and translation, Oriki àti ìtumọ̀. We have Oriki ìlú Òṣogbo. Òṣogbo òròkè àsálà, onílé òbí o. Òṣogbo òròkì, a safe haven, owner of a large kola nut. Oriki is a name meaning a natural entertainer with artistic, creative, versatile qualities. Òṣogbo ìlú àrò, àrò dédé bí ogun. Osogbo, the major dying land, who walks powerfully like a bitch. Oh, I'm a better. I better won't buy. Bury me back better. That way, most better. You love me. A place where a visitor must not kill a mongoose. If he does, it will be taken away from him. When I, as a visitor, kill a mongoose, please do not take it away from me. Oh, I should bello so bolo so buffy in woonie. What interests people in Osogbo is their dying ability. Osho goddess is in Osogbo. That's also an interesting part of Osogbo. Traditional kings also in Osogbo. Ataoja is a traditional king. As we have Oni of Ife, we have Alaafin Oyo. So as we have Ataoja Osogbo. Soro ni wọ́n jẹ̀sùn l'Osogbo, àkàrà ni wọ́n jẹ̀sùn n'Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Soro bamba, so ni wọ́n jẹ̀sùn lóro kí bí ń bá wá kí yín nílé. They feed on bitter yam in Osogbo, while Ìjẹ̀ṣà feed on beans cake. If I come visiting you in Oriki, I will eat a lot of bitter yam. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share. Stay glued to our page because we'll be posting yours next.